Drink these teas to clear your blood clots and prevent lethal heart attacks. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for both men and women in the world. One of the most common causes of heart disease is blood clots. They can form where there is a blockage in an artery, and they could cause a heart attack if they block the flow of blood to the heart. There are a number of things you can do to reduce your risk of blood clots, including eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and not smoking. But did you know that drinking certain teas can also help to prevent blood clots and heart attacks? Here are 5 teas that have been shown to have blood-thinning properties. These teas can help to keep your blood flowing smoothly and reduce your risk of developing blood clots. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your heart health, drinking tea is a great place to start. Prepare to delve into the ever-popular world of green tea. Green tea is like having a cool oasis in your cup, but it's not just about how good it tastes. Green tea is a superhero when it comes to supporting heart health. Let me explain why it's so incredible. The first thing is green tea is a veritable treasure trove of antioxidants, those little fighters who guard our bodies from dangerous intruders. And guess what these antioxidants do? Together, they lower the risk of heart disease. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more. Green tea acts as a barrier for your heart, protecting it from harm and keeping it robust. Ketogens are a unique substance found in green tea. These ketogens are now comparable to the covert green tea agents. They have the ability to reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, also referred to as bad cholesterol. It seems like they're on a covert mission to prevent any cholesterol buildup in your arteries and keep them squeaky clean. Rightly bid the evil folks farewell. So what does this all mean to you then? Green tea is like your dependable sidekick, supporting your cardiovascular health and keeping you on the way to well-being. So just by sipping on this tasty drink, you're taking a step towards a better heart. Keep tea lovers in mind when it comes to protecting your heart. Green tea is a step in the right direction, so grab that mug, brew yourself a cup of green goodness, and let its antioxidants and ketones work their magic. Now coming to the next one. Can you guess the next tea? The next tea is a magical tea which treats our body and also has a good taste. It's hibiscus tea. The vivid and tart hibiscus tea is the second beverage on our list. It gives your taste buds the impression that you are relaxing on a tropical beach enjoying a cup of sunlight. But it's not just about the delectable flavor. Additionally, this tea has excellent health advantages. High blood pressure is a sneaky little troublemaker that may negatively impact our well-being. But don't worry, hibiscus tea has come to the rescue. It has been demonstrated that this tasty beverage possesses blood pressure-reducing abilities that would make any superhero envious. You may be wondering how hibiscus tea manages to accomplish such a trick. Well, it's all thanks to the incredible compounds it contains. These substances function as ACE inhibitors, which sounds great. They're well recognized for encouraging blood vessel dilation, enabling unrestricted blood flow, and reducing stress on your delicate heart. It's like taking a short vacation in a mug with additional health advantages. So when you sip on a cup of hibiscus tea, you're not only treating yourself to a blast of tropical paradise, but you're also taking a step toward keeping a better blood pressure. Also worth mentioning is the hibiscus tea's tart and energizing flavor. With each sip, your taste buds are treated to a lovely dance of fruity and flowery flavors, leaving you wanting more. It's a beverage that can turn an ordinary moment into a delightful tropical escape. So the next time you feel the need to kick back, relax, and give your blood pressure some tender loving care, reach for a cup of hibiscus tea. Its natural ACE inhibitors will work their magic, promoting blood vessel dilation and helping to lower your blood pressure. And hey, the added bonus of feeling like you're on a tropical vacation is pretty amazing too. Taking care of your heart health can be as enjoyable as a sip of your favorite beverage. Hibiscus tea is here to keep you feeling fantastic and refreshed, all while supporting your cardiovascular well-being. Let's now change gears and investigate the world of Ribes tea. Get ready to be taken to South Africa, where this amazing beverage was first created. Ribes tea, which is indigenous to this lovely area, has developed quite a reputation for its outstanding health advantages. Imagine yourself sipping on a cup of covered strong tea while soaking in the warm embrace of its earthy scent. It's not only about the delicious flavor and relaxing sensation, though especially when it comes to issues of the heart. When it comes to your cardiovascular health, Ribes tea is like a superhero in a teacup, thanks to its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants are probably heroic heart guardians, swooping in to fight off the villains of heart disease, oxidative stress, and inflammation. The strength of Rebis tea can defeat the ultimate foe of a healthy heart. Let's take a closer look at how it works. It acts as a shield, assisting in reducing their presence and maintaining your heart in tip-top condition. What does oxidative stress actually mean? Consider oxidative stress as the disorderly pollution brought on by free radicals and your body as a busy metropolis. Pesky troublemakers might wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system and harm your cells. Fortunately, Rebis tea fights back against these free radicals with the help of its antioxidants, encouraging a cleaner and healthier environment within your body. Inflammation, on the other hand, can be compared to a mini volcano inside your arteries, causing trouble and hindering blood flow. Rebis tea works its magic by calming down this fire eruption, helping to reduce inflammation and ensure smoother circulation throughout your cardiovascular system. Isn't it truly incredible how a humble cup of Rebis tea can tackle these heart-related adversaries? Plus, let's not forget about the added bonus of its naturally sweet and nutty flavor, making every sip a delightful treat for your taste buds. Now our next tea is coming with most of the advantages. Let's move on to our fourth candidate, the oolong tea, in our tea tasting tour. Oolong tea, the hip cousin of the tea family, is ready to impress you with a variety of health advantages and a distinctive flavor. In order to give you the best of both worlds in a single cup, they carefully choose the ideal combination of green and black teas. Now, how incredible is that? Now get ready to be astounded as we discuss the incredible health advantages that oolong tea offers. It may help lower high blood pressure and cholesterol levels according to studies. It's like having a silent ally that silently supports you in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. But how does it accomplish what you want? Oolong tea has potent antioxidants called polyphenols. These little soldiers aid in the fight against those bothersome free radicals that are present throughout your body, keeping them from damaging your heart. These polyphenols may assist in enhancing blood flow, maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, and more thanks to their superpowers. Flavonoids, another component of oolong tea, have been demonstrated to reduce LDL cholesterol, the infamous bad cholesterol we all want to keep under control. Remember, a happy heart starts with a relaxed mind, so make sure you incorporate a cup of tea into your eating routine. You'll be getting health and taste in a single cup, so make it a habit. Thanks so much for watching our video. Would you please do us a favor and like and subscribe to our video channel so you can see more videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you during the next one.